Okay, on air na ba? Buksan, first open, YM. Your YM, dapat naka-sign in na. Punta kayo sa, click nyo yung messenger. Click nyo ulit yung preference. Tapos, ayun. Piliin nyo yung click nyo yung ignore list. Ayun. Dapat ito ang nakaselect. Ito, yung ay nako. Ito yung piliin nyo yung ignore anyone who is not in my Yahoo 7 contact. You will only receive message from the people who are in your messenger list or address book. Yan. Tapos, click apply. After a second, click OK. Yan. Hindi na mabubot ang YM mo. Yun lang. It's over. Tapos na.